Are you tackling a big cleanup project or planning a renovation? Wright Dumpster Rentals has you covered with top-quality roll-off dumpster rentals in central Indiana. Whether you're clearing out a home, remodeling your kitchen, or managing a construction site, we provide the perfect dumpster to handle all your waste disposal needs. With a variety of sizes, we're here to make your cleanup quick, efficient, and hassle-free. At Wright Dumpster Rentals, we offer roll-off dumpsters in sizes ranging from 10 to 30 yards, so you get the perfect fit for your project. Our durable dumpsters are designed for easy loading and convenient drop-off and pickup. We pride ourselves on affordable, transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Plus, we offer flexible rental periods to match your schedule. You can rely on us for fast, friendly service every time. Ready to take the next step in your cleanup or renovation project? Call Wright Dumpster Rentals today to reserve your roll-off dumpster. Our team is here to help you choose the right size and answer any questions you may have. Don't let waste pile up. Contact us now and get your dumpster delivered fast.